Welcome to All Pro Overhead Door, your top provider for garage door opener repair in East Sacramento. If your garage door opener isn't working as it should, you've come to the right place. Our team of expert technicians is ready to deliver quick and reliable garage door opener repair in East Sacramento. Whether you're dealing with a malfunctioning opener, a broken spring, or any other issue, we have the expertise to resolve it effectively. We begin every service with a comprehensive inspection to accurately diagnose the problem and ensure it's fixed correctly on the first visit. Plus, if you're considering an upgrade, we offer a wide range of stylish and durable garage doors to enhance your home's appearance. At All Pro Overhead Door, we are dedicated to providing exceptional service and ensuring your complete satisfaction from start to finish. Don't wait. Contact us today at 916-628-3639 or visit all-proverheaddoor.com to schedule your garage door opener repair in East Sacramento. All Pro Overhead Door, where excellent service and peace of mind come together for a hassle-free experience in East Sacramento.